students, welcome you all to this video. So we'll start this session with this wonderful quote. Every morning you have two choices: continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. So let's wake up and chase them. So we are going to learn about nervous system, very big topic, but let's try to learn it in the easiest possible way. First, let's look at the repeated questions that were asked in your university exams from nervous system. The essay questions: describe the origin, cause, and termination of pyramidal tract. Mention its functions and list the features of upper motor neuron lesion. Describe the pain pathway from left foot with the help of a neat diagram and add a note on referred pain. List any two sensory pathways with the help of label diagram. Explain pain sensation. Add a note on referred pain. Describe the neuromuscular transmission with the help of a neat diagram. The short notes that were asked: receptors for vision, Bell-Megendes law, functions of hypothalamus, physiological basis and correction for myopia, functions of the middle ear, structure of a chemical synapse and transmission across the synapse, functions of thalamus, reflex and reflex arc. Name three ascending pathways. Mention one sensation carried by each pathway. Pathways for touch sensation from face and trunk. Describe visual pathway, fine touch pathway, synapse, CSF, referred pain, taste pathway and primary taste sensations, errors of refraction, pathway of taste, saltatory conduction and its advantages, what is proprioception and receptors for proprioception, Rennie's test, Broca's test, neuroglia. So these are all the questions that were repeatedly asked in your university exams. Let's move on to nervous system as such. First of all, there are two divisions of nervous system: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So what do you mean by central nervous system? See, the brain and the spinal cord is in the center of the body. So they are called as central nervous system. So look at this diagram: the brain and the spinal cord. So together it forms the central nervous system. Then what is peripheral nervous system? So peripheral nervous system means from the brain and spinal cord, you have nerves arising which supply the other parts of the body. So what else do you have in your body other than brain and spinal cord? Yes, you have muscles. So these are the muscles. Then you have skin. And internally, what do you have? Internal organs, your heart, lungs, liver. So all internal organs. So the nerves that arise from brain and spinal cord which innervate the muscles, this is called as the motor nervous system. The motor nerves. The nerves that arise from brain and spinal cord and innervate the skin, they are called as sensory nerves. And innervation of internal organs, this is called as autonomic nerves. So you find that these three divisions, motor, sensory and autonomic nerves, form part of peripheral nervous system, PNS. So we find that there are two divisions of nervous system: brain and spinal cord called as central nervous system, and the remaining parts of the body innervated by peripheral nervous system. So let's study in detail one by one. First, let's learn about central nervous system. So in central nervous system, we are going to learn about sensory nervous system, motor nervous system, the cerebral hemispheres, learning, memory and emotions, speech and vision. So these are all the major topics here.